Hey guys, hope you all doing well. My name is John Relihan, and today what I'm going to show you is how to cook the most amazing baby back ribs with a barbecue sauce, potato salad, and also some grilled corn with a cowboy butter. So let's start this. So guys, the first step is making sure that you use the right meat. So when you go to the shop next, make sure you look out for the Borbia quality assured mark on all the packets. Just ensure that your meat is produced at a high standard, independently checked and verified at every single stage. So now let's get cooking this. This is the baby back rib right here, and what we do first is we remove the membrane from this. Now the membrane is a little skin that's on the back of it, and you just stick your finger inside here and then you can just pull it right back and that will come right off. Okay, so now we're going to put on the rub. The rub is all about the flavor that goes onto the baby back rib. So doing it from a height, you use this rub. It's a signature rub, mustard seeds, paprika, cumin, garlic powder, loads of amazing flavors. From a height, you season just like this. Look at all those beautiful mustard seeds. So you season it up like this, and then you can turn it and do the same to the second side. And be quite generous with that rub, because that is a beautiful sweet rub as well. Okay, now for the next step. Okay guys, come over here. We're gonna put it into my smoker just like this. We set the smoker to 120 degrees. The ribs will take about 3.5 hours inside the smoker. However, if you are cooking inside your house, make sure that you put it into the oven. You can season up the same way. Set your oven to about 160, and it's going to take about 3 hours. And you can baste it up or put a little bit of stock in there as well, just to make sure that it keeps it juicy. So guys, for the summer salad, what we're going to do is this. We're going to blanch our baby potatoes. We got some green beans, some asparagus, some cherry tomatoes, bit of lemon juice, loads of fresh herbs. But also, check this out. We have some gherkins, mustard, horseradish, and mayonnaise. Mix it all up in a big mixing bowl, season it with a bit of salt and pepper, put some fresh herbs, and check this salad right out here. This is absolutely amazing for the summertime. Okay guys, now for the corn. This is my cowboy corn. I use a little bit of the rub, season it up, put a bit of olive oil, bit of salt and pepper, and literally just whack them right onto the grill. Just like this. Get a nice color on both sides. Then for the butter for afterwards, what we're going to do is we have some butter here. Inside I got some butter. I got some of the signature rub. Just season it up. Just like that, and that is my cowboy butter. This is going to be an amazing thing to baste. However, let's come over here and check my ribs out. With the butter as well, just to keep it nice and juicy, we're going to pour all that butter on top as well. Just like that. Look at the shine. Now, this is going to be a treat. So I'll come back to you when this is ready. Now with the corn, we just give it a little turn like this, and you just want to get a nice color on both sides of the corn. Turn it like that. Nothing better than some charred corn. Corn directly inside. Then what we do, we pour some of the butter on top. Butter is good, just like that. And just to finish it off, a little bit of extra flavor on top. That's your grilled corn right there with your cowboy butter. Okay guys, come check this out. The baby back ribs are now ready. Just to make sure that you get that really nice sauce, you can use some proper meat sauce. Pour in the little ramekin, drizzle a little bit on top, and that's it. You see how easy that dish is? It is amazing. You can do it indoors, outdoor, in the barbecue. Enjoy with your friends and your family. And there you go. That's your baby back ribs with your grilled corn, your cowboy butter. Beautiful seasonal baby potato salad with a little bit of proper meat sauce on top. So yeah, make sure next time you're going out, you check out for that Borbia quality assured mark and all the meat, just to make sure that you're using the right product. And also check out Borbia/pork for more inspirational recipes. And for myself, John Relihan, I want to say thank you so much. Have a beautiful summer, and I will see you soon.